Alright, so everyone's excited about Insta360's next big drop, and even though they haven't actually said the name, let's be real, it's gotta be the X5. The teaser video didn't exactly try to hide it either. You've got a silhouette of a 360 cam on the thumbnail, and the title says all day, all night, all angles. Yeah, we see what you're doing, Insta360. Now, all angles obviously means it's another 360-degree camera. No points for guessing there, but what caught my attention was all day and all night. I don't think they literally mean you'll get a 24-hour battery, unless there's some secret alien tech involved, but it's probably hinting at better battery life. 360 cams have always drained juice quicker than regular action cams since they're doing double the work and stitching all that footage together. So anything that stretches that runtime is a win. And then there's all night. This is where things get interesting. The teaser showed off some slick low light clips, and there's been talk floating around about a possible 1-inch sensor on this thing. Now, I seriously doubt it's gonna go that far. What would make a ton of sense is upgrading to 1/1.3-inch sensors. That'd be a nice step up from the X4 and would help it pull in more light, reduce noise, and give you cleaner, brighter shots when things get dark. Insta360 is already ahead of the curve when it comes to low light stuff. Look at what they pulled off with the Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2, bringing some of that magic over to their flagship 360 cam. Just feels like the natural next move. And then there's the juicy part. At the end of the teaser, there's this on-site crew member casually cracking the lens and swapping it out with a little suction cup tool like it's no big deal. Pretty bold hint that we might be getting swappable lenses on this thing. It's not official yet, but the rumors are loud. People are saying the X5 could be the first Insta360 X series cam to let you replace the lenses yourself. Pair that with those rumored 1/1.3-inch sensor for better low light performance, and it's shaping up to be a seriously tempting upgrade for creators who want a rig that's tougher, more flexible, and built to handle whatever you throw at it. Also, quick heads up, if you're anywhere near New York City next week, Insta360's throwing a pop-up event at Vanderbilt Hall in Grand Central on April 22nd. Could be a cool chance to see this thing up close before anyone else. So yeah, between the possible sensor upgrade, better battery, low light improvements, and maybe even those swap-friendly lenses, this thing's shaping up to be a serious upgrade. I'm hyped. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.